A. A. Oh, kill my friend! You clap in the A. Wow, you killed my friend. Oh, you killed me. You killed me. Haha, you're not a Chinese person. Haha, you're not a Chinese person. A. 2024.
Pero yo te pongo el bebé cargado. No te ves derecho. Y yo te voy a decir a ti que grabes por el teléfono así.
Oh, it's in my safe. Uh-oh, he my friend. Stop. Die. Die. A.
Pero come una sola vez al día, a ver.
Haha, we're the mini boss. We go a lot. Kill the mini boss. 1 year later. Wait, my mini box. Whoa, that was a great trick trying to cut the head. Whoa, the great trick try to cut the head. Wow, I know a great trick try to cut the head, to cut the mini box head off. Let's go, friend. Wait.
Hablan de que inglés, oíste. Son los que va a ser el anticristo ese chiste.
Picked up phone. Wow, it's a phone. I think it's an iPhone or Gappy's tag. A telephone. What do you play on it? Playing beep 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 beep. Wow, it's a game called Roblox. The end. Oh, I want you to shorts. Globes. What else? Hey, you got here? What do you mean, you got? Globes. Wait till the comment. Other thing, King to Pet is not a real app, but it is. Wait, check on Google. Check on Google Play. Wait, there's no King to Pet app, so it's not a Google Play. So I think that's for real. Wait, go. Let me go to the shorts that are in. Girls. Wow, it's T.D. Rick making a short about skateboard. Hello guys, we're making a skateboard channel. Remember friend T.D. Bricks. Hello guys, we are making a T.D. Rick channel. We are skateboarding in the tall mountain. I mean, we are not. We are flying away. 1, 2 years later. Hello, we are visiting. Our feet came out. Oof, my buns. Oof, 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 oof. Nee. Because butts and now we're playground. Ding. Why did you risk make a bloody video in another playground? That's gonna be there. This is our real and we don't show bloody emojis. Bro. Whoa, let's go down. And he made our video of what? This is bad. Hello, bloody emojis. We are making a video of our bloody emojis. Not for kids.
Mira, Wiz, esa gente no canta, que anda vestido de millonario privado. Wiz es una fiesta ya grandísima, una boda grandísima en el bebé.
Sí, porque ellos hacen cosas así,
His friend Karen died. Ambulance. Come to the hospitals. Cause we're going Get him and died. Dot. Get him and died because he's dead. Okay. Because he fell in the skateboard mountain.
Número 3 en el mundo, los más ricos del mundo.
Let's go.
Billonarios. Están los chinos, los americanos, chinos y que están levantando, ¿viste? Se está buscando mucho el glamour y el dinero. Así comenzaron los chinos. Oye, esta cuesta 300 millones de euros. No, esa tipa. Ella hace real estate allá, comenzó así.
Wow.
Ese tipo ahora compró.
The guy
hace
just
años compró.
scared just died and he went in the ambulance. The Beatles removed that. YouTube. Goodbye, gun. Yes, sir. Don't I make one emoji. Okay, video will be right back here. Okay, let's do my phone now because I want to join tall building. Help me. Help. Ah. Well, watch the videos. Wow. The videos still wrong. It's just 1 minute, hour, time. Wow. Whoa, guys. We are recording today because our people are talking big. I think they're behind me. No.
No, yo tengo mi jipeta y mi carro, una Mercedes nueva que... Sí, así mismo. No, yo tengo mi chofer, Arturo, venga Arturo. Y Arturo, dígame jefe, favor.
What? I think behind me because in my face. Wow, this is a radio mode. This is a good radio mode. Hello, this is the police. They took our radio mode. No, we did not. Okay, right, checking the camera. How did our cameras if you don't? Because we have the police cams. Okay, why then? Because to check if somebody missing. Oh, yeah! Tornado! This is not a test. All hats are flying. This is an EA5 tornado. And Mm.